Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound lag, stuttering, and crackling audio in Windows 11. So first, make sure your audio drivers are updated. So to start, go to the search bar and type in Device Manager. Open it. Now from there, expand audio inputs and outputs. So double tap on it to expand it. Find your speakers and right click on them. Then tap on Update Driver. Next, what you can do is to choose Search automatically for drivers. So choose Search automatically for drivers so your system installs the latest version available. If your speakers come with their own software, open that as well and check the sound settings. Make sure everything is updated there too. Now for the second method, go back to the search bar and type sound settings. Open it. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings under Advanced. When the windows appear, locate your speakers and double click on them. Go to the Levels tab and make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. Then head over to Enhancements tab if you have one and try enabling Disable All Enhancements, then click on Apply. If it doesn't help, you can always switch it back. Next, go to the Advanced tab and under the default format, try setting it to DVD quality 48000 HZ. If the issue continues, you can test CD quality, but DVD quality usually works best. So click apply afterward. You can also try disabling exclusive mode by unchecking both boxes in that section. So apply the changes and see if that fixes the issue. Now another step is to check for system updates. So go to the search bar and search for check for updates, tap on open, and click the button check for updates to ensure your computer is fully up to date. You should also try unplugging your speakers and plugging them back in just to rule out connection issues. Next, what you can do is to run the built-in troubleshooter. So search for troubleshoot settings and open it. Then click on other troubleshooters down here. Open it. Next, find the audio option and click on Run at the right side. Then follow the on screen steps and see if it resolves the problem. So, read all these and follow the on screen steps to see if it resolves your problem. Now, lastly, restart your computer by clicking on the Start button and tap on the Power button right here and tap on Restart. Then check again if it boots back up. Now, if none of these methods work, there's a good chance your speakers might be faulty. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.